I'm Allison. I work with people virtually to teach them how to declutter their homes and lives for living, selling, packing, and moving. And one of the things I teach is that often people don't know the right order to do things, so they spend a lot more time and a lot more energy than they need to or want to get the same efforts or the same results. Stay tuned and I'll teach you the difference between decluttering, cleaning, and organizing. The first step is to declutter. What do I mean? I mean, you have to take everything off of those surface areas that you don't use, you don't like, you don't need, or shouldn't be in that area right now. So, say you're tackling your kitchen. I would say take all of the things that you don't normally keep on your surface areas, like dirty dishes and stuff, put them where they belong, like in a sink or in your dishwasher, so that you have a clean surface area that you can work with. And of course, always get rid of anything you don't like, use, and need, and just keep surrounding yourself with things that support you. Once you've removed all the clutter, this is the time to clean the area. It's completely devoid of everything, which means you can clean it thoroughly. This is the smartest, most effective way to do it, is declutter first, then clean. Your last step after it's been decluttered and cleaned is to organize everything. Keep everything off of your kitchen counter surface that you don't use every single solitary day, and keep like things together so that you can find things easier. Do you like what you're seeing and want to learn how to do it yourself so that you can always create a home that not only looks amazing, but functions the way you want it and need it to help you lower your anxiety and depression? I've got a great course for you. This is going to put you in the power seat, let you be in control of your own home once and for all. Either click on the link in my bio or go to the website right below.